Comodore. Everything's apart. Yep. Yep. Nothing ever gets finished.
Oh, there's the head.
Dude, is that an aluminum head? And what is...
That's for a 4-barrel.
Yeah.
Right? I know.
Yep. Yeah, because this is... Unless this is the exhaust manifold, and that's the intake manifold.
That's for the heat riser. That's for the heat.
Got it. Huh.
Mr.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Massive governor on it.
Oh, there's another one of those. Or it's probably different than what you already grabbed, right?
Single.
Oh, so I just want to see if the intake and
Take off
everything was
them
off of
rags.
this. Oh no, it's definitely for this motor. It wouldn't be in the trunk if it wasn't. You know?
Straight 8.
Oh yeah, no, that's the motor that goes
Oh, yeah.
that goes to.
That's it. I didn't know you would put a straight 8. You could literally with it running, you could put a friggin' coffee mug on it.
Really?
Yeah, it wouldn't shake off.
Oh shit.
Look at this.
Windshield wipers.
Isn't that cool?
Damn. Not that it really matters at this point, but I don't know. I want to make it worse than what it is.
Probably if somebody's restoring a great parts car.
Yep. So this is a 53.
They all look the same.
53 Mercury, I think, is what this is. 54.
No, I think 54's head. They went to the 239 overhead. Maybe. I can't remember. It's a 52.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
Just gonna get this open. Oh yeah, right there. So, yeah, BR60F is the style. 54 Mercury. Oh, it says 5.4. I'm on number 5.4. Yeah, so it says 5.4 ME is the first 4 digits, so I have to assume it's a 54 Mercury. Look at that top. From the inside, that is crazy. It looks so cool. Yeah, bunch of trunk. Bunch of stuff in the trunk that we can't get to. It's really cool.
I mean, the wheel well on this side.
So this... What's that on this
The
car?
wheel well on this side isn't even that bad.
I wonder what else he's got for it. I know
All
he's,
the doors
all
and
the
stuff
parts
are
are in
inside.
there. These are all the parts for the Mercury. There's the doors.
See that Hudson Comodore? That?
Oh, that's what that
Look how look at the somebody did some serious friggin' work with it. Yeah, look at it. It's all
Yeah, a lot of these are look like they've almost been re-chromed or
the rubber seals on them.
yeah. That's the rear emblem.
Yeah.
The deck lid.
Look at that. It's got the.
Yeah.
That's perfect. It's either been re-chromed or his dad put it away on purpose.
Bezels. Front fenders for the car.
Yeah, there's the
Interior
doors.
panels here. Seat. Looks like a rear seat.
Both doors have windows.
Yeah. Yeah, regulators, everything in them. Door panels are there. Bunch of chrome pieces here. These look like these are the inner fenders for the front inner fenders. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bumpers. So there's 2 front and 2 rear bumpers. Oh, then another bumper over there.
That's another rear bumper.
Got the hood, the steering column,
Basically, every body
headlight bezels that
that car is
look like they're either re-chromed or new old stock.
I think he said this is the gas tank.
Yes, that's the gas tank. More chrome. Type of another rear emblem, hood emblem for the Mercury hood emblem. It's the wheel. Let's see. I would imagine. There's tons of trim. There's the hood. And the dash is over here. Underneath this blanket was the dash. This is the dash for the 54 Merc. Yeah. That thing is heavy, or is it just wedged? Get it out of there. No, it's okay. I don't have to grab it. I just thought I'd pull it out just to see it. Dash.
You had a lot of interest in it?
Yeah, a bunch of people asking me. Everything. No, the Mercury. Some people asked me about this truck, but I had already told them that it's not for sale. And then. Yeah, everything. Yeah. I mean, obviously it was a complete car when it showed up. I don't know. It doesn't say what year or anything on it, but these things were real early, right?
Yeah. But I think they didn't change the style. They kept them.
Really? Flat glass, man. Easy. Yeah. That's so cool.
I think if you do that one around and like just filming, hey, we'll get in contact, get the numbers, walk around.
Yeah. That's what a lot of other people are doing right now. And the content's it's just blowing up online. We'll show other people. Like you said, if we can get the stuff into the right hands. Bring it back. Yeah, oh yeah, that's the big.
You can put a lot of more.
That's true. Yep. The whole front clip just moved.
Yeah.
You better hold off.
Hudson. Maybe this model went.
Oh, I bet it did. Yeah, because that one's complete.
Got it. This one don't.
So that's what the motor came out of. Super 6. Yep. 46, 47. Sure, it's just a torque monster. I think Poison Ivy right there.
Now, what year's the cab over?
38, I believe. 37, 38.
Does it come with the grill?
Yeah. The grill and the steering is in the barn upstairs on the right. Yeah.
Fucking rad car horn. Man. It was a rad car.
Yeah, no, I told him it definitely was. That's why did you just throw something?
Yeah, threw a penny.
Oh, okay. Lumber company, Norway. Yeah. Oh, this is a 3/4 ton. The Nash tow truck that's for sale. People were asking me what the condition of this truck was. Looks like inside the cab is pretty much complete. See the dash. Pedals are in the floors. Gonna need some work. Like I said, everything looks like it's here. Starting to go. I don't have any way to open it. Let's see. No, can't open it. So it was a tow truck. It's a heavy frame. I don't know what year this is. What do we got here? Telephone number T Ample 2-5307. Oh, what do we got up here? There's a bunch of more words up here. Rags. Wrecking service. Really cool. Oh yeah, right there. That's cool. There we go. Looks like it has some inhabitants. So it's gonna need floorboards, which obviously shouldn't come as a surprise to anybody. Mouse in there. Hey, little mousey. Seat frames there, cushions are there, dash is complete. Keys are in it. I wonder if it runs. That's the big Nash. In it. Well, the motor's been kept together this whole time, so that's good. I don't know the length of time it's been sitting. Serial number. That's 14,000 GVW.